Hello! Today is February the 18th here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and there's a blizzard warning. I just want to show you guys how it looks like during this blizzard warning day. We're driving along Pembina Highway. Our first stop here was at the ING store. We love going to the store for some meats as well as your yummy fish balls, fish cakes, and many more. Yeah, it's located on Pembina Highway, Winnipeg, Manitoba. So there's the store.
ING
Supermarket. So we're going in now. And our first stop was the noodles area, the noodles section. And we love their soup bone.
Here are the noodles.
Now their meats and seafood section. We're now on our way home after some small top-up shopping or buying some items at ING store. It was around 10:30 a.m. during this time, and the temperature was negative 20, but with the wind chill it feels like negative 30 Celsius. So it's really, really cold. And sorry, my iPhone 11 camera, I wasn't able to capture the poor visibility, not as much as the actual visibility, but it's because of the blowing snow and the blizzard warning. It was really hard to drive.
Waverly.